Hello friends, I Yashika and in this video I will discuss about the uses of forest resources. But before move to our topic, we have to know that what are forests? So, forest is a large area dominated by trees which are interspread with a large number of species of herbs, shrubs, climbers, lichens, algae, and a wide variety of wild animals and birds. The forest covers the earth like a green blanket. Forests have enormous potential for human welfare and wildlife and the environment. Each and every life depends on forest. People begin life on this planet as a forest dwellers. They were food gatherers and depended on the forest for all their basic needs. Uh, the basic needs are food, shelter, and clothing. So the basic needs: food, shelter, and clothing. Even today, people depend on the forest. Uh, yes, it is right. We all depends on forest for spices, paper, timber, fuel wood, medicine, and food. Everything. Uh, and And I thought that we are living on the earth by the because of the forest only, because it is very basic for us. These are the some examples: paper, timber, fuel, wood, and medicine are only some examples. Okay, as forests have several uses, that's why they were classified into two categories. First, commercial use, and second is ecological uses. So commercial uses, it means forests provide a large number of goods of which includes fuel wood. Wood is an important source of energy for cooking and heating for rural population. Next is timber. More than 1,500 species of trees are commercially exploited for timber in different parts of India and used for making furniture, railway sleepers, metals, bridges, etc. Next is bamboo. These are the common in northeastern and southwestern parts of India, growing along with the deciduous or evergreen forest. The main use of bamboo are as timber substitutes, fodder, and raw material for basket, paper, and pulp and the small scale industries. Next are cane. Cane or rattan are the stems of climber plant and are used for a large number of household items. It is used to make walking sticks, polo sticks, baskets, pictures, frames, screens, and mats. Next are fruits. Every one of us eat fruits and also like fruits. Fruits trees are an important source of income and food for the rural household. Mango, coconut, orange, pear, jackfruit, and many other grow wild in the forest. Next is medicinal use. Since time immemorial, humans have been depending on the forest to cure them from the various ailments. Even today, man is dependent on the forest for herbs and plants to fight against diseases, and many of the Ayurvedic medicines, uh, medicines like Ayurvedic, allopathic. Next are fibers. Plant fiber has many different uses. Soft fiber, such as jute, are derived from the stems of the plant. Hard fiber from the leaves of hemp and sisal are used to make fabrics for various applications. Car, another form of fiber from the coconut, used to make ropes. Next are essential oils. Tropical grasses and such as lemon grass, citra, citronella and kush are the source of oil. Oil is derived from the wood, leaves and many plants and trees, seen as camphor, win- wintergreen and pine. These oils are used for making soaps, cosmetics, incense, pharmaceuticals, and confidential confectionaries. So these are the commercial use of forest. Now the ecological use of forest are ecological uses. So first are soil erosion. They prevent the soil erosion by binding up the soil with the network of the roots of different plants. Second is wildlife habitat. These are homes of millions of wild animals and plant species. Third is pollution moderation. They help in preventing air and noise pollution by absorbing the toxic gases and keep the air pure, and also reported to absorb noise also. Fourth is control of climate. Transpiration of plants increases the atmospheric humidity, which affects the rainfall and cools the atmosphere. Next is regulation of hydrogen cycle. As thick layer of humus acts like a big sponge and soaks the rainwater, preventing runoff, thereby preventing flash floods also. So except these uses, there are many more uses of the forest, and if we can we can only take the profit of these uses if we conserve forests. So my message for you all are is, if you want to save your life, you have to save first firstly you have to save the forest life. This is very important for us, for the wild animals, and for all the living biotic and abiotic sources.